the craziest weather during Hawaii season so far when the outer, blizzard during Hawaii area during December after this intro. Here we actually going to talk about amazing event during Hawaii because it going on over right now. There is a blizzard additionally with it. There's a lot of grants caused that blizzard appearing. There's another thing. The the winds are really strong during that time. That regional to some areas going to get to the most windy gusts to around like 72 per hour at December 5th at 1 a.m. That's when it's really good enough for to get blizzard additional with that. And now I want to show you why it is going on over time. This was a temperature like really cold over there during Hawaii because there's lots of precipitation and it's making a lot of snow that area. Let me just show you that warning. Let's just use the NOAA. I tried to get it to work on the WMV program, but some reason not working. But this is what the orange region. That's where is the blizzard. It is, but the other areas is like a flash flood watch. It was amazing, crazy to see. More amazing about the snow on the west coast going to get stronger by the low pressure system and then moving northeastward to see it has been a little bit longer. But the snow total for that range for total for 6 inch. There's a little bit much, but they more in the round the west area. And then longer about that, but show you the precipitation to see that wet low pressure forming 100 bounce of low pressure and then eventually split into two. Then that low pressure in the bottom will bring enough grants to make a little bit thunderstorms and then headed towards upward. Then bring it spawn another low pressure, bring warm a little bit rain grants on December at 3 p.m. For rain totals, there's not much in all days. But around maybe in New York, it's a little bit more than that per 1 hour. And also trying to get more snow to a safety about it. Snow forecast as well. It's really interesting where it's going on with the snow, but the GPS could be a little bit wiki, but I'm just not going to show you like much about that. But we can just keep on those thunderstorms. But so far there's no chance for like thunder snow. Not yet. Not the models not predicting about it. But maybe December 5th there's a little bit chance for thunder snow per region. Each area is going to get a little bit lightning all the way to Alabama, Texas regional, and all the way to the bottom. That's why predicting that the another grants for still so important. The dew points are create grants for those thunderstorms when the massive cold air I will show you it, bring it down moisture area. That massive cold air, the dark blue, is very strong. Bring those chance for thunderstorms all the way to Great Lakes, and there's a little bit chance for a little bit rain precipitation as well for each area regional with the weather. Not area, but the time about that cold air is at 3 a.m. and that warm air push that cold air away and bring the warm air to northward. Then bring sneak behind that very cold air. Then behind that cold air, Midwest have a little bit of warm air. Regional temperature. For in case see that above or below average. This was could look like when the warm air and feed by the cold air. I will get more detailed those storm threats. See what those other grants as well. This is the height originally about that cold air and when the cold air to figure out what's going on with it and around Great Lakes. That's what it is. Very severe right now. It's really cold in around Great Lakes when on December 6th. We'll see what is still going on with it. This is the other side of severe weather. I mean, not severe, but there's another grant of weather bill not show, but DuPage does have to bring between the heat. That's what it is. There's 8.6 Celsius kilometer of the heat in the storm. That's why. But there's not a lot, but still lots of grant to make that warm air will be in before that cold air make it all the way. And there's also could be more boundary between the warm and cold air. That's why you see that pink and reddish color. That's what it is. I showed the totals for that, but there's not interesting about the Cape, but it's still gonna be a very strong, generally very still over day and night. This maybe this gonna be a part of it, the large system. This is extreme weather out here. Hopefully you subscribe and comment.